did the marks in the studies really reflects on the students' future?
See, one thing all of us have to understand: marks are just numbers. They do not define your life.
Yeah.
Okay. For example, when I don't like an orange, okay, I don't like an orange. So there are times when you will not like a subject. So how will you excel in that? Okay, you cannot force somebody. So it's okay. Marks do not decide your life. It is your intelligence. Education is different. God-given intelligence is different. So even if you fail, okay, you just have to tell, okay, this is not my cup of tea. When you say I'm not my cup of tea because you like coffee, so you say I don't like tea. So there are few subjects you will never like.
Okay.
So it's okay even if you fail or you do get low numbers. Why? Because you are intelligent. God did not make you as a human being to die. He could have made you a mosquito or a buffalo also, right?
Yes.
That spirit could have become a buffalo also. But if you are a human being have got intelligence. Use your intelligence and keep growing. Who did not fail in life, yaar? Okay, do you think, suppose now I come from the place called Telangana and Andhra, okay? Do you think Chiranjeevi's every movie is a great hit?
No.
Allu Arjun movie is a great hit?
No.
Did they commit suicide? They said that particular movie is a failure. I am not a failure.
Yeah.
Okay, so who is a scientist? Scientist keeps on researching. Does he commit suicide for every failure?
No.
Then there will be no scientist at all. Research means failures, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so means even you and me in life, we go through a failure. We have to tell that incident is a failure, that cricket match is a failure, that love with that girl is a failure. I am not a failure as a boy.
Yeah.
I am not failure as a girl. Somebody might like apple and you want eat apple. They say no. So somebody might not like you. It's okay. You don't feel rejected. That what should I do, Deepak sir? What should I do? Nothing. Go to the next girl and say, okay, I love you.
Okay.
She says no, don't commit suicide. Go to the third girl because she's looking for an apple. You're an orange. So go. Somebody will like you as an orange, no?
Yes.
So please, marks do not decide your life. Okay, one relationship does not define your life. There are few people who will like you, few people who will not like you. You also reject a lot of things in the hotel, right?
Exactly.
Masala dosa, garam dosa, karam dosa. You select, no, I don't want dosa, I want idli.
Yeah.
So that fellow closes his restaurant or what? No.
No.
Same way, there will few people who will not like you. Maybe your own sister will not like you, your brother will not like you. Maybe your own friends who are friends now, they will not like you later.
There is an alternative way.
There's a simple way. They have a different taste. I am not their taste. Somebody who will like you, you will find them. So just keep enjoying life, boss. Okay?
Exactly, but the society does not accept the failures, I think so.
See, society will not accept failure.
Yeah.
Okay?
So how can we survive in the society?
You don't have to survive. You have to live in a society.
Yeah. So what's the difference between the survival and the living in society?
Survival means I want to please the world. Living means I am living as an apple and I'm happy as an apple. Some apple lover will come and pick me up. When you are surviving, now you want to become according to the society. So apple will become orange, orange will try to become one watermelon, watermelon will become something else. But original is original. God did not send you on the planet to become somebody else. Be yourself and somebody will love you the way you are.
So what's your suggestion that for these youth, is the job is a good thing or in business or employment is a good thing? What's your chance?
Simple. If you are from Telangana, Andhra, you understand and you have heard about Mahabharata, Kunti had 5 sons,
Yeah.
correct? Yes.
Yes.
Arjuna was great in bow and arrow. Bhima was great in Gada.
Yeah.
Nukul and Sahadev were in some different things. Yudhishthir was a Dharmaraj.
Yeah.
Now, did his mother said, why are you not fighting like Arjuna? She said, you like to pick up Gada, you pick up Gada and go. So, all parents, first of all, are responsible that you should allow the child to be himself or herself. One, please stop comparing 2 children, 2 cousins, brother and sister. Because brother is brother, sister is sister. One elder brother is elder brother. One will become a CA, one will not become a CA. One will like to go to work for a corporate, one will say, I want to do business. Allow the person to do what he or she wants to do.
Yeah.
Please, father, mother, society, allow people to be themselves. And if you can help. So,
But nowadays the society was not hiring these people. So that's the reason mainly they were going to leave the suicide.
okay, so no, you don't have to leave the society. There are few people in the society, get attached to them. Few people, stay away from them.
Okay.
That's all. You don't have to run away. Don't run away from society. Face the world. Saying that, boss, thank you. I've taken your suggestion, but let me do what I want to do.
Did you ever fail in your life?
Oh, many a times. Many a times. Nothing wrong.
Sir, may I know that what are the qualifications of yours?
Now you're talking to a boy
Yeah.
who just completed his 10th standard in Chennai.
That completed your 10th standard.
Yes, because I lost my father. He died. I had to leave studies. I come from a Marwadi family. Okay, so I had 3 sisters. I had to leave studies when I was in 10th standard. I started working in a textile shop as an office boy.
So you are speaking fluently in English. I won't think that you are like 10th standard.
Okay.
I think you are lying.
So, why will I say my father died at the age of 14? Is this a lie? No. Correct?
No.
Will I kill my father just because I want to impress you all? No, I'm not.
Yeah.
Correct? So, first,
So
keep
how you are
that.
fluent in English?
Why I am fluent in English? Because I knew later in life I have to learn English. I have to speak English because if I don't communicate in English, I will not be able to grow in life. English is the criteria for us to communicate.
Okay.
ओके सो आई एम तेलुगु కూడా నేర్చుకుంటాను गुजराती भी आता है राजस्थान भी आता है थोड़ा थोड़ा सी आई डोंट हैव टू नो द एंटायर इंग्लिश आई नो 85 words in English how many words
85 words.
words how are you what has to be done what does not has to be done
Do you
few
think
words
that these 85 words
enough
Is more than enough or
okay now I will tell you now
Eating.
correct
Yeah. Hearing.
so you understood
Yes.
this is enough
This is it.
even if I don't know to speak English
Okay.
by body language I can say yes or no.
Yes.
How are the deaf and dumb living in the world, boss?
Yeah.
Why are you bothered about your English? You put your face on Facebook and you don't get likes. You will commit suicide. Why should somebody like you? Why are you doing anything to impress the world? Just be yourself. I am myself. Okay.
So
I'm
what do you think that the real meaning of love?
real meaning of love is simple. Learn to accept yourself first.
Okay.
I'll ask you an example now. Okay. If you ask me Apple phone, I cannot give you because I don't have Apple.
Done.
I don't have Apple phone. I have a Samsung phone.
So that
So
is
means
example.
correct. So
Yeah.
means what I have only I will give you.
Yeah.
Simple knowledge. If you ask 10 rupee note, I don't have. I have a 100 rupee note. I can give you 100 rupees.
Yes.
So simple concept in life is what I have only I can give you.
Yeah.
If I don't love myself, how can I love somebody else?
Exactly.
If I don't have love, how will I give you love?
Mm.
So first criteria is I have to love myself as I am. The way I look, the way I speak, the way I live, the way I eat, everything I should love about myself.
Exactly.
If I don't love myself, I cannot give love. So first,
one thing is that what's your opinion on the present generation?
what is present generation? Present generation are great, phenomenal, superb. Today the world that has grown the way it has grown is because of whom? Present generation only, no. Who bought this AI? Who bought this mobile? Who bought this WhatsApp? The young generation only, no.
Yeah.
Just because my age is 54.
54?
Just because I came 20 years before you does not make me intelligent, no.
Exactly.
Correct, no.
Yeah.
Today I'm using the mobile. Who made? Young generation. Today I'm using Paytm, I'm using GPay, I'm using Zomato, I'm using all this. Who made all this? Young generation. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So it is not necessary just because I am born 20 years before I am intelligent than you. No, I have some experiences about life. That's all. But that's not guarantee that is reality, right? That is for me.
Exactly.
I'll ask you one question now that you asked me so many questions.
Yeah.
Sun rises in the,
Sunrise is
sun sets in the,
best.
wrong. Because sun never rises, sun never sets. Earth only revolves.
Yeah, exactly.
And all educated people, see, I am 10th standard, but all of you educated people are giving me wrong answers.
Yeah,
Sun never rises, sun never sets. Sun is at the same place, earth revolves.
exactly.
And you are telling I'm educated, you are telling you are MBA, you are telling you are a CA, but you don't know this simple thing. Matlab, what you see is not the reality.
Yeah,
So you see the sun goes, no, but that is not the reality, is something else. Like that, the world is seeing you the way they want to see you,
okay.
but the reality is you are a great person.
Exactly.
If you believe in God, if you think God has created you and sent you on the planet, don't insult the God by insulting yourself.
Yeah.
So that is why I'm telling you,
I
love
had a
yourself.
small doubt that
Please.
see the present society,
Yeah.
like they will give you the appreciation regarding your dressing style and the money. Does the money matters?
Simple. Money is a means to buy anything that man has made.
Yeah.
First,
that's
I
the
repeat.
man.
Okay, so I want a bungalow, I will make money. Okay, I want a car, I will work, I will make money. Money is not wrong. Please try to understand. Money is wrong. I want more money. Is it wrong? No. It is not wrong.
Yeah.
With that money, what I will do matters.
Yeah.
Money in the hand of a good person, he will do good to the society. Money in the hand of a bad person will become a terrorist.
There is-
So if you think you are a good person,
yeah.
You better become rich.
Rich.
You
So
better
what are the
become
ways to
wealthy.
become rich? See,
There are
right
1,000.
Right now, I had a 1 lakh rupees with me,
Correct.
but I don't believe the people in the society. So how should I increase my money? Is
See,
there
it's-
any alternate ways that should be securely?
See, now first, if I'm an Indian, okay, if you're a salaried person, the first thing we all look at is safety, security, and liquidity.
Exactly.
Means I need my safe returns. I also need to be secured, and whenever I need money, I should press the button and get.
Yes.
Okay, जब भी पैसा होना मेरे को आना है.
Yeah.
And there are 1,000 things available in the world. And today you are in a world of information. You don't have to ask your friend, mama, macha, okay, alladu, gilladu, nothing. Don't ask anybody. Simply go to YouTube, find few things. Now go meet the person, sit with them, find out what is truth and what is not. Come and check on Google, and then only invest.
Yeah.
Just because somebody asked you money, please don't. Don't invest. Today you are intelligent, boss. That's what I told you. Education is different. Intelligence is different. An intelligent
What
man.
is the difference between this?
Education is what is already written. It's like a horse running in a horse race. He's seeing only one place. But a horse which is free, he does not have that thing which is covering his eyes. He sees every opportunities.
Yes.
So if in case you are educated, break your comfort zones, find out what's new in the entire world rather than just seeing few reels and few videos, and you will find 1,000 opportunities to make money.
Yeah. Is trading, stock market, everything is like a genuine thing that to be invested?
See, there are two things. You ask a contradictory question. Trading, never do trading. Invest.
Yeah.
Invest in something and forget it. Now, problem with most of the people right now is you want quick bucks. Like now you want instant coffee, instant noodle, instant pizza,
Yeah.
instant juice, instant packaged drink. Instant money will not come. But if you're looking at instant money, means you want to trade.
Right.
No, we are not traders.
Yeah.
We should invest. Have the mindset of an investor. If you buy a piece, see, if your grandfather bought a piece of land, he invested and he said, forget it for 10 years.
Yeah.
Every month, does he look at the land rate?
No.
So means
But it
same
will bring an
thing.
increase.
An investor will never look. He is saying after 3 years I will look into it.
Yeah.
So even if you have 5,000 rupees, invest in some mutual fund and forget it for few months, few years.
Yeah.
See, you break a phone, you're ready to buy a new phone. Simply think that you put 10,000 rupees in a mutual fund and forget it for 3 years.
See, most of the earning persons are like politicians, entrepreneurs, and the business magnates are going to be richest in the society. But why a salaried employee can't be richest person in the world?
Salaried employed, who said there are see all those people who are directors, who are outside directors on a board board of an organization, they are paid salaries, right?
Yeah.
But they know how to use that salary to invest. Most of you know savings. Saving, when invested only, will give you returns. Most of you know saving. No. Saving has to be the next step. Invested. Only then.
Okay. So if you save money, it doesn't matter. If you invest the money, it matters.
Correct. See, keeping a seed in a bottle, do you think it will give you a tree on a plant?
Nothing.
Correct.
Yeah.
So saving will not give you. But if you put that seed in a soil, fertile soil, important answer is fertile soil. Seed does not have to find where to get water from. Automatically it will get water.
Exactly.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Same thing. Money invested with the right person, with the right source, with the right knowledge, only you should invest money.
Okay.
Just because your friend said, hey, nenu vesnara, neo vesra, hey, that nenu and all, money will go.
Okay.
You should think it's a Tirupati undi.
Yeah.
You put, money will not come out again.
Done. So, Sanal, finally, one question for you. So, do you believe the emotions of the people?
Definitely, we are human beings. All of us have emotion.
Yeah.
I will get angry, I'll get upset, I'll be happy, I'll be joyful. If somebody dies, I will cry also. Emotions are, no. Even what is bhakti?
So, what would you prefer for either money or a friend or family?
I will prefer myself first.
Okay, you prefer yourself first.
See,
Then after-
because see, if I am not happy, I told you, if I am not happy, I cannot give happiness.
Yes.
If I am not joyful, I cannot give joyfulness to anybody. Correct?
Yeah.
So first priority is me, myself. It is not being selfish. Please try to understand. Every religion in the world, including Christianity, including Jainism, what did Jainism said? Live and let live. In Christianity, what is said? Love the neighbor as you love thyself. If you don't love yourself, you will hate the neighbor. No.
Exactly.
In Hinduism says, Nar Seva, Narayan Seva. Serve humanity, serve God. Okay. So who is the first human being you should love?
Ourselves.
So you are not human doing, you are human being. My being has to be peaceful. My being has to be happy. My being has to be calmful, and I know I will proceed and progress in life.